Well, I'm back out exploring again, and I'm in an amazing place. I love this place. I used to come here as a young man, young child, fishing with my father down in this river here, catch brook trout. They're lovely to eat. Don't fish this anymore. Never got no time, but we're going up there through them woods to check out, I think, 3 adits. I'm gonna go and test the GoPro Hero 7 Black with my new lights and see what the footage is going to be like. So I've been using my phone a lot over the last year or so hopefully see a difference in the footage. So here we go. Let's go and find the adits. There's the river. This GoPro is really a neat camera to use. Quite like using it. Check out the little waterfall. It's pretty neat. That's nice. Here we are. We're at the entrance. So see what my spotlight is like with this camera. And there we go, we're going down in there, we are. Let's go. Bit of a waterfall on the way in. It's full of water. I don't think it's that deep, is it? Don't look that deep, does it? No. I'll just take a photograph of this and then we'll go on in. Check out these beasties. Big spiders. No one there, look. Right, let's go in. Hopefully this won't go over the waders. Whoa, look at the size of that one. It's quite warm in here. Oh, neat, look at that. Spider's nest. Wow. That is so cool. Let's go on ahead then. Let's put the spotlight on. See what I can see. Well, I've got to say, I'm really impressed with the lighting and the GoPro together. Seems to be working a treat, doesn't it? It's quite warm in here. What's down there? Oh look, there's a tunnel here. Let's go and check it out. It's quite a low one. It's a dead end. They've tried 2 directions here. I think they've turned the spot off. Yeah, they tried. Nothing here, no seam. A little tiny bit there. That's it. That is it. Something there, look. Well, we haven't got Johan with us tonight. He's busy doing his PhD. Just the 2 of us. You can see where the sleepers were on the floor, can't you? Another dead end. This looks fresh. Check this out, man.
Yeah, it does.
That looks like someone's recently put that there. That's interesting. That is interesting. Listen to that rumble. It's a hell of a rumble, isn't it? Some more bolts there, look. Oh, we've got a collapse here. The sound, the atmosphere's changed, isn't it? The sound's different. Oh look, the old ladder there, look. Wow. Just follow the main level first, then we'll we'll come back and look at that. Amazing colours in the walls. Oh, that's neat. I like that. That's pretty neat, that is. Put it there with that lot. Look at that. Where's my mate gone? Somebody's been in here digging this, I think. Check it all out. Big slab has come off the wall there, like. Well, that's odd, isn't it? Expanding foam. What's that doing in here? Somebody's definitely working this mine. And I don't think they should be. Oh wow, look at the vein there. Whoa. This goes on. Oh, that's neat. The tracks are still in place. Is this the dead end? The face of the mine. So look what we got here then. Nothing really. There's no tallow candles, anything like that in the walls, is there? Nothing there. I'm going to stand still and listen to the rumble of the water. Hell of a rumble, isn't it? Let's see what we've got down here then. Put the spot back on. Goes on away, doesn't it? There's a hole full of water again. So we're going to see what's up here. Where this ladder was. Let's go and check this out. Oops. God, it's warm in here. This is where we get mucky. Oh, it's a big chamber. Or a shaft or something. Oh. Yeah. Wow. Go down and have a look. Oh, I think that goes on forever, that. Don't want to fall in there. Oh shit, I'm falling. God, it's all moving. Is it a solid floor? I can't tell, you know. A bit dangerous. And it's a false floor, it is. That's what it is. I better not go any further. There's the old ladder. Shaft, isn't it? You can see the vein up there in the spotlight. And it goes on a long way up there. I'm not going to try and climb it, I don't think. We're going to go and find the other adits now. There's not much in here really to see. But you never know, it's always worth a look, isn't it? Always worth a look. So we'll go back out that way. The light is fading now when we come out. Nice waterfall there. Oops, sorry. So we're going to get up there somehow. There's about four adits actually along this river. But, a couple of them are very dangerous to get at, but we'll give it a good go, eh? We always give it a good go. Like to show you what we find, innit? made it. Yes, there it is. There it is. And there we're going. I'm not sure if there's one there. Up there somewhere. Whoops. Have a shimmy up here first, see if there's one up here. Wow, it's a bit wet and slippy. Whoa. It's too slippy. Dangerous. Try and shimmy around this slippy ledge. The adit's just round the corner. I don't fancy ending up down there, that's for sure. So let's give that a go. Well, there's the adit. But it's so dangerous going around that. It's extremely slippy, I don't want to fall in. I'll give it another go. See if we can get in there and show you what's in there. Oh, we want to know what's in there too. There we are. More spiders. Oh, I'm cold. Oh, there's a bat in here. We better not stay here long. Rather warm. Past all there. And there's the vein. Or the load. Not much else here. By the looks of it. Oh, there's something on the floor here. What could that have been then? Oh, it's an old padlock. Oh, look at that. Part of the hinge there, look. See what's round the corner. Anything of interest? Bunch of galena in the wall. Look at that galena. And that's it. That's it. Can't get to the other end. It's just too dangerous. We best leave this one because we've got a bat flying around in here. And we don't really want to disturb him, do we? So, there we are. It was more of a test for the camera and the lighting. Hopefully it's worked okay. And we're going to go to a big mine on Saturday, so keep an eye out for that video. We're going to head on home now. All the best to you. And there we go. That was fun. Head back now. I also like to say thank you to the 1,000 subscribers. I hit the 1k, just creeped past it now actually. So I think it's time to do a prize draw. I'll do a video soon. This weekend then I'll do a video, announce a prize draw, what it's going to be, you know, and then tell you how to win it. Thanks again for watching this video. I know it's a short explore, it's more of a test for the camera and the lighting to see how it works. And there we are, all the best here.